Hello everyone, what you're seeing behind me is the same Kalindi Kunj Ghat that I visited just 30 days ago during the Chhat Puja. This is how it looked back then and this is how it looks today. Let's find out what changed within 30 days. So this is the closest that we can get to the froth that is accumulated here on the Yamuna river at Kalindi Kunj Ghat, and this is how it looks. This is how dense it is, and there are a lot of pollutants that enter the Yamuna in Delhi. There are around 23 drains, and it's domestic wastewater, industrial effluents, which enter the Yamuna from those 23 drains, right starting from from the Wazirabad barrage to the Okhla barrage.
कितने आदमी तो पानी देख के ही भाग जाता है, पानी देख के भागता है, गंदगी है, क्या सफाई हो रहा है? केमिकल छिड़कने से क्या ये जहाँ खत्म हो जाएगा, सारे जिंदगी छिड़को.
At this moment, around I can see 5 boats are continuously circling on the Yamuna, and that's the anti-foaming agent that they are spraying, which we just showed you. And the fact that I spoke to some people, they said that they cannot come on camera. They told us that they do this the entire day, that they've been told to do this the entire day. But the fact is that if you see here, where they're actively spraying, the froth cannot be seen, but from that gate that everybody's been talking about, that all the dirty water is entering the Yamuna, from that gate you can see how much more froth is coming. So it's just, I don't know how much difference will an act like this make. 30 days before, when we visited during the Chhat Puja, this ghat was much cleaner. There was no froth, but the locals just told us that it is because the main gates, the main drains that are carrying all the waste from the city of Delhi were closed, and now they are open, and now you can see the plight of the river. Also, continuously these anti-foaming agent spraying boats are circling on the Yamuna river, and that has not been able to create much difference. They were working more actively during the Chhat Puja so that the foam would not accumulate over the river, but right now this is what I'm seeing.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.